How much are Bryant furnaces?
The immediate purchase price is lower than average. Lifetime ownership costs are much higher.
I don't get it.
The $1,000 or $2,000 you save on a Bryant furnace due to its lower purchase cost is more than made up for in the repair bills equally that much over its short, pitiful life.
Let's ignore repair costs for the moment. How much are they to buy?
You'll pay more for energy efficiency, and you'll pay more for blower capacity.
I know that stepping up from 80% efficiency to 90% efficiency can add $1,000 to the cost. What's the average?
According to Consumer Reports, the average gas furnace by Bryant is around $2,300.
What are the prices for different levels of efficiency, if I'm looking at gas furnaces?
An 80% AFUE 90K British thermal unit is around $2,600. Some models are even cheaper, if you skip the extra insulation.
Yet I've seen 135K British thermal unit gas furnaces for $2,000.
It depends on the models. And it depends on the dealer and how badly they want to move inventory.
That is not very promising.
Yes, since 30% off a 2K furnace means it is unreliable even by Bryant's low standards. Oh, and remember that even a cheap $1,000 furnace costs $2K after installation costs.
Are you saying Bryant charges me $1,000 to install its furnaces?
That's actually a going rate for new furnace installations, assuming they don't have to punch holes in walls and add new ductwork while they are at it. Some companies like Highland Root actually charge closer to $1,500 or $2K to install it.
A Root gas furnace is $1,200 to $1,500 for an 80% efficiency, 80K British thermal unit. I don't want to double the price just to pay for the installation.
If you really want a Bryant furnace, it is going to cost you $2K to $3K, depending on capacity and extras like heat exchangers. Add another $1,000 for installation for a ballpark of the total installation cost.